In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy USDT on Binance. To begin, open the Binance app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in and your account is properly set up for your region so that local currency and payment methods appear correctly. From the home screen, look for the Buy Crypto option and tap it. This takes you to several ways to purchase crypto. For this walkthrough, we'll use the peer-to-peer marketplace, so tap P2P trading. P2P lets you buy directly from other users, while Binance's escrow system holds the crypto safely until your payment is confirmed. Inside P2P, choose USDT as the asset you want to buy. USDT is a stablecoin, so it's commonly used for trading and transfers. Enter the amount you want to purchase. You can type a specific amount in your local currency or in USDT, depending on what's displayed. Double-check the minimum and maximum limits shown for each offer to make sure your amount fits. Next, select your payment method. You'll see options like popular e-wallets or bank transfers, including choices such as Gcash or various banks, depending on your country. Pick the method that's most convenient and available to you. You can also apply filters to narrow down offers that accept your preferred payment method. Now, choose a seller. A good rule of thumb is to look for a high completion rate, ideally 98% or higher, with plenty of completed orders. This indicates reliability and fast releases. Check the price, the limits, and any notes the seller has included, such as specific payment instructions or timing. When you're comfortable with an offer, tap Buy. You'll be taken to the order page with a countdown timer. Follow the seller's payment details exactly. Send the payment from your chosen method for the exact amount shown, and keep your transaction reference or screenshot handy. Never send payment outside the listed method, and avoid chatting outside the app. Once you've sent the money, return to the order page and tap I paid. Only do this after the transfer is truly complete, because it signals the seller to verify and release the crypto. At this point, wait for the seller to confirm receipt. Thanks to escrow, your USDT is secure until they finalize the release. Once it's released, you'll see the USDT in your funding wallet inside Binance. From there, you can hold it, transfer it to your spot wallet if you plan to trade, or use it for other purposes. That's it. Safe, straightforward, and quick when you choose a reputable seller and follow the on-screen steps carefully.